I showed up 40 minutes late. She asked me if I wanted some food. I said that sounds great. I asked for cookie, don't let wrong. Couldn't believe my ass is on. She bought me some cookies I no longer know. Sorry baby, I'm full. I think I gotta go.
1 cup of shortening. 1 cup granulated sugar.
Give me some more.
Half a cup of brown sugar.
2 times.
2 eggs. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour.
Power.
1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Finale.
And 1 pound of chocolate chip.